Welcome to this tutorial on formatting or highlighting cells that contain text values in Excel. In this step-by-step guide, we will show you how to achieve this with ease. Let's get started. First, select the range of cells where you want to apply the formatting or highlighting. Simply click and drag your mouse over the desired cells. Now, navigate to the Home tab in Excel's ribbon at the top of the window. Look for the Styles group, where you will find the Conditional Formatting button. Click on it and select Highlight Cells Rules from the drop-down menu. This will open a submenu with different rule options. In the Highlight Cells Rules submenu, locate and click on the text that contains option. This rule allows you to specify conditions based on the text values in the cells. A dialog box will appear, asking you to specify the text values to look for. Enter the text or characters that you want to use as the condition for highlighting cells, such as type, Excel, Word. You can also choose the formatting style that you want to apply to the cells that meet the condition. As you make changes in the dialog box, Excel will automatically show you a preview of how the formatting will appear on your selected cells. Take a moment to review and ensure that it meets your requirements. Once you are satisfied with the settings and preview, click OK to apply the formatting rule to the selected cells. Excel will immediately highlight or format any cells that contain the specified text values. Congratulations! You have successfully formatted or highlighted cells that contain text values using the Highlight Cells Rules menu in Excel.